Yeah, guys, welcome back. Today, I'll be showing you how you can reach out to the Facebook support team one-on-one, like chatting with their agent one-on-one and them resolving your issue for you on the spot. Normally when you want to contact Facebook, they would ask you to send a message to their support email or support team, something like that, and that process takes a long time before they get back to you. But this process I'm going to show you, with a few clicks you reach out to them directly on Messenger, and you will then chat with an agent one-on-one. Then they will resolve your issue. So for you to do that, you have to go to this link, this URL, as you can see, www.facebook.com/business/help. So you go into that URL, you'll be brought to a page like this. So just scroll down, ignore all these things that they are showing, and you will see this place that they ask you, still need help, find answers or contact support. Click get started. So here now, they'll ask you they're trying to ask what is your problem, which department is your problem. Is it a policy problem, billing problem, business page? So as for me, I'm trying to resolve a billing and payment problem, because I'm trying to make payments and I'm getting a notification that my transaction was blocked. It was unsuccessful, so I don't know why. So I'm trying to contact them to chat to an agent. So you click and you will be brought to this page too. Just ignore everything here and just go straight down to chat with a representative. The estimated wait time is 4 minutes. So this estimated wait time, it do take time. You can maybe sometime you'll see 2 minutes, 1 minute, but as for me, as I'm here now, they tell me I will wait for 4 minutes. So I'll click start the chat. And they will bring you straight to this place. You will fill up certain details, then they'll take you directly to the chat. So here I'll add my number. So and this is your email that's connected to your account. As you can see, this will be your Facebook account name. So they will say your account ID, that is which of your ad accounts are you trying to submit a ticket, are you trying to resolve a problem for. But as for me now, all my ad accounts are having problem. I'm going to use one to represent all. So I've chatted to them before. So as for me, my ad accounts, the one I used to chat to them is here. I'll click on it. So but for you to get your ad account ID, if you don't know, you go back to your business ad manager. Then at the top you will see at the top of your URL you will see some icons there. So you click on that, you can see some numbers, 1 3 something. I'll click on it, then I'll copy it. It still shows here too. If you see, all your ad accounts will be shown here, and you can see their ID by them. This number here is their ID. So as for me, I've copied it. I'll go back and I'll put it here. Select a page. If you have a certain page that's giving you a problem, you can click that page. For me, I'm going to leave that page for now, and I'll say, are you following up on an existing case? As for me, I will say no. You understand? Because it is a new problem. They have resolved my old one. I'm trying to start a new one. So it's still on billing. What's your question about billing? And what is your question about? They say I have a question about my charges on my account. I have a failed payment. So for me now, I have a failed payment. I'll click on it, then I'll say transaction blocked. Transaction blocked. You understand? So that's for me. I don't know why my transaction was blocked. Then I'll click. Then they say description. That is optional. You understand? For me, I'll just click start chat. So one thing you can also do is the problem you're encountering. You understand? You can screen grab that problem using a screen grabber on your system. You can use snipping tool, or you can download any screen grabbing software. You can download it and install it on your Chrome browser as an extension. Then you snapshot that problem, or you can even use your phone to click that snapshot. You understand? So So guys, as you can see, I'm here on the Facebook support team at Messenger. As you can see, I contacted them some time ago, so I'm here again to like submit another issue, like I'm having problem. So I'll tell them hello, please, I need your help. I need your help. I need your help with a payment issue. So once I send this message to them, say all our representatives are currently busy. Please continue to wait, and your message will be seen in the next available representative that joins the chat. So with this, I can just start. If you start receiving something like this, what you can be doing is just type agent. Once you type agent, you will receive another message. As you can see, they said Andrew has joined you. Can you imagine? Because if I had keep waiting, I'll be waiting. Okay, the representative will come and I will chat with him. But you see, as I typed agent, Andrew came immediately to message me, and he said, "Hi Chris, thank you for your patience as we are connected. This is Andrew from the concierge. I hope you're having a great day. Let me see if I can make it better." Okay, I'll say okay. Yes. Thank you very much, Andrew. I see that you are chatting in today because the transaction has been blocked. I totally get why. So guys, this is how you can do this. I'm just going to chat with them, then once I'm done, I'll show you if they resolve my message that I brought to them. So I don't want to make this video long. So once I'm done, I'll show you my end product of my chat to them. So let me continue. Okay, so guys, I'm back after I chatted with Andrew from Facebook. So I laid my complaint. Like I told you guys, my complaint was a payment transaction being blocked, and I don't know why. So I started a chat with Andrew, and after we chatted for a while, he requested for some information. As you can see, I sent him a snapshot of what I was getting. Your transaction was unsuccessful, transaction blocked, and he took a while because the case seemed to be critical. In most times he was telling me to wait, let him look into my account. Like, thank you for letting me know, Chris. I'm going to take a few moments to dig in for us to see what next step to take. So he cross-checked. He was always getting back to me and telling me that please, I should hold on, I should be patient, that he's checking it. And after a while, my case seems to be like a critical one, so he told me I should please wait, that he's going to send let me read it for you guys. Thank you, Chris, for your patience. I'm going to be reaching out to my friends on the other side to have this look. So the other side, I guess, maybe people on the payment side, which is PayU. So he's going to reach out to them with a fill out a form, and he asked me for my details, if that was really as you can see, Optic Digital, and I told him yes. So he told me that he has sent the form and that it's going to take 2 to 3 business days for him to hear back from them. So by then, he as you can see, he said okay, he has got my email and he'll be keeping me updated as it goes. So I told him okay, yes, that's my email, and I'll be waiting for him. He said okay, this is it, perfect, and the rest. So as you can see, the chat has ended. Thanks again for using Facebook. So guys, if you have a problem, you can contact Facebook like this, just like how I did. So for me now, because my case is kind of critical, I will be waiting for Facebook for like 2 to 3 days. So that means I cannot run ad for the next 2 to 3 days. But this is better than when I contact the Facebook email, you don't even know what next to expect. So as for me now, I know what I'm expecting. I know that in the next 2 to 3 days, I'll be expecting something better than this. I'll be expecting something better than this, and maybe my case will be resolved. So I have more hopes than somebody that just sent an email. You don't know when they're going to reply you and the rest. So if you check, this is my second time contacting them. As for my first time, my case was resolved, as they told me why I was experiencing my issue, and as you can see, I even thanked them. Like, I told them thanks for the clarification and my pleasure chatting with you. So my case was solved at the first instance. At this instance, my case is about to get solved. I know the next step that I'm expecting. So guys, if you ever encounter any problem and it's kind of critical, you don't know what next to do, you can follow this step straight, and you'll be chatting with an agent directly that will give you the next step to take and maybe resolve your issue. So I hope this way that I've showed you helps you in your Facebook ads journey. So guys, that is it for this video. If you found value in this video, ensure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell notification so that you get notified when I drop new videos like this. So thanks guys for watching. See you on the next video.